Aloha Craps community, Money Shot here from the YouTube channel Hawaii Crap Shooters. Hawaii Crap Shooters is a YouTube channel that features betting strategies, dice setting, and real life inside the casino craps. Here in Hawaii, there are no casinos, so it may take months and months for us to get back to Vegas and play. But in between trips is where we put in all of our hours and hours of practice with our dice setting, our dice tosses, and especially our betting strategies, where Crapsee has been an instrumental help to me and our HCS crew to fine tune our strategies, making it quicker and more efficient than when we had to deal out the strategy with our own physical chips. We all welcome you to join in on our Crapsee group tables and test out your own strategies on our real live rolls. We have weekend tournaments to where you can compete with over 50 plus players with the same bankroll and try to win our Crapsee tournament chip. We also run daily practices from time to time to where players like you can practice your different strategies to see how they do on live rolls. So go and purchase the monthly subscription from Crapsee for just a small minimal cost and jump into the fun of live craps online with Crapsee and playing with all of our HCS live rolls. Aloha.